I would like to share some of my garden, but a lot of them, but this some I just share to you. Maybe you interested. ហើយខ្ញុំចែកម្លែកបងប្អូនអស់គ្នានៅអ្វីដែលខ្ញុំមានតិចតួចចឹងណាបាទគ្រាន់ទស្សនាកំសាន្ត It's just for entertain for you guys take off from work or got back from work just get boring just look at my garden and what I have in here. Well, some short video, just try to share some in English and some in Cambodia. Yeah, let's get back to the gardens again. ហើយនឹងតាមដានទស្សនាទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទ Hello everyone, I speak English a little bit and welcome to USKK Share. Yeah, I used to share about the poverty people live in Cambodia. And I share my daily life about traveling, cooking, and whatever's available around my life in the United States, North Carolina, in Charlotte. ហើយបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាខ្ញុំចែកម្លែកបាទជាភាសាអង់គ្លេសខ្លះជាភាសាខ្មែរខ្លះខ្ញុំក៏មិនជាជំនាញអីអង់គ្លេសទេប៉ុន្តែដោយសារមានក្មួយម្នាក់បាទគាត់ប្រាប់ថាឲ្យដាក់ subtitle ទៅហើយខ្ញុំមិនទាន់រក program នឹងបានម្ល៉េះហើយនិយាយភាសាអង់គ្លេសទៅហើយខុសត្រូវយ៉ាងណាក៏សូមអធិស្ឋាន Yes, I got a comment that asking for speaking some English, but of course it's about adding subtitle on my video, but I'm not be able to do it yet. Just I couldn't find any program available to add subtitle in English yet, so just speaking some English and you guys can understand it some about my garden that I work it on every day, so I'm so happy to maintain the garden and be happy some activities around my home or the traveling or cooking or celebrate some international celebrate about Cambodian New Year or Chinese New Year's or American New Year. Just try to share to all you guys. Let's go take a look a little bit. ហើយតោះនាំគ្នាទាំងអស់គ្នាទៅមើលចំការច្បារដំណាំខ្ញុំបន្តិចហើយនេះខ្ញុំបណ្ដោះវាយូរហើយដោយសារធាតុអាកាសហ្នឹងវាអត់អំណោយផលបាទវាម្ដងទៅវាល្អទៅម្ដងទៅវាអាក្រក់ទៅប៉ុន្តែឃើញថាបានលទ្ធផលល្អមែនតែនហើយអានេះបាទ and I try to grow some cucumber or some here for the Cambodian plant, but I'm not really know what they call. Mostly I'm not working on the plant much. It's just my English is speaking like daily life. It's some I know, some I really don't know, but I try to update a little bit and what they really call. But right now, just quick content here to share to all with you guys, okay? ហើយភាសាអង់គ្លេសខ្លះក៏ខ្ញុំចេះទៅអាខ្លះក៏ខ្ញុំមិនសូវចេះទៅណាមិនជា professional អីទេប៉ុន្តែគ្រាន់តែក្នុងការចែកម្លែកខ្លះនៅក្នុង content USKK នេះដើម្បីបងប្អូនបានទស្សនាហើយដើមនេះក៏វាដុះស្តៀងដើមសសក់ដើមរនោងផ្សេងតឡាចអីចឹងទៅលពៅអីចឹងទៅប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំអត់ដឹងច្បាស់ថាវាជាដើមអីនៅហើយចេះបដុះគ្រាប់អញ៉ៃអាខ្លះដុះអាខ្លះមិនដុះមើលកន្លែងនេះគឺអត់ដុះទេបាទអានេះខ្ញុំយកមកដាំទេ but this is some pepper that I transfer from the other place I grow in the pot and just plant it here and how it look like. You guys stay tuned and to see the next coming video like how my plant grow ហើយនេះគឺជាតកួនមើលទៅរួញវាមិនដឹងជាមានបញ្ហាអីខ្ញុំដាក់ជីដែរបាទ this is my grass water we used to say like water grass something you know it in Cambodian it means ត្រកួន yeah this originally from Cambodia the color is red but right now like they grow you can see like the plant is not really healthy it shrinks on the lip but I'm not sure what else they need I try to clean all this some you know to see big root in here they call it tea but kind of weeds in American we call but I'm not sure some kind they plant too from Cambodia we call it what is it មមៀងហ្នឹងហើយជាមមៀងនេះដែលខ្ញុំយកមកដាំកន្លែងផ្សេងតែវាអត់ទៅល្អមិនទេបាទវារៀងរួញតែ no matter what just wait this មមៀង let how they see I try to learn from it and understand about this plant but this plant is hard to plant it I put some fertilizer here see the color it changed a little bit mostly look like green I hope it's growing well but they got some flower it's still a tiny plant yet this មមៀងហើយមមៀងនេះខ្ញុំជាយាមដាំវាបាទពិបាកដាំបងប្អូនណាតែអាចចេះដាំបានប្រាប់ខ្ញុំផងហើយមមៀងហ្នឹងគឺខ្ញុំយកគ្រាប់វាមកព្រោះអត់ដុះទេបាទអត់ដុះហ្មងមិនដឹងយ៉ាងម៉េចបាទហើយមមៀងដែលវាដុះនេះគ្រាប់វាជ្រុះទេបាទប៉ុន្តែជាយាមព្រោះវាហើយវាដូចមិនសូវល្អចំពោះទឹកដីហ្មងទេខ្ញុំព្យាយាមដាក់ជីដែរ yes it hard to grow this momiang when I try to grow it very hard you know I save some seed when the end of the summers on the winter it hard to grow but it can't pick the land or the soil we need to feed them I'm not sure how this work very well but this one the seed drop itself but someplace else they grow really good but here they're not really good at some flowers they already tiny plants let's see this string bean I saved the seed from last year see look like this couple of days it's raining but they look really good now and I hope they get some you know like whatever the fruit they call it string bean yeah they caught some string bean I hope they have some when they grow very well it look like they growing very well បាទអានេះគឺជាស្ដាយគួរខ្ញុំបាទមើលទៅវារៀងបាទល្អហើយព្រោះភ្លៀងមួយថ្ងៃមកបាទល្អមែនតើហើយខាងនេះក៏មិនសូវល្អដែរហើយខាងនេះខ្ញុំទើបតែធ្វើដីហើយយកវាមកដាំណាបាទមេរ៉ូហ្នឹងពេញប៉ោះហើយខាងនោះក៏ចឹងដូចគ្នាបាទហើយខាងនោះគឺម្ទេសហើយខ្ញុំទើបយកមកដាំ My English it wasn't very good but the new generation of Cambodian he asked me to put title some in my video but I just can't do it right now I don't know I'm an old man Tamai yeah ta it means grandpa it my name is Tamai yeah these tomatoes I just transfer it from the other bed that I prepared the land already, just transferred here, and now they look pretty good. But these tomatoes, they dropped the seed from last year, they grew it by itself, and yeah, I just put it here, but it look good. Some of the paper, it mines chili, like it's not really hard. It mines hard. It mine, I think. It's a little, it's not really hard. I just grow it as a seed left over from last year and put in the pot and now transferred here. But only one like not really well, but this one and the others 4 or 5 them, but they're growing very well. ហ្នឹងហើយខ្ញុំចេះចែកខ្លះទៅខុសត្រូវអីសូមអធិស្ឋានបាទវាអីនៅក្នុង USKK ខ្ញុំវាអត់សូវ view ខ្ញុំអត់ដឹងហេតុអីបងប្អូនអរគ្នាបាទបើមានខុសត្រូវអីជួយតម្រែតម្រង់ផងហើយខ្ញុំនឹងព្យាយាមធ្វើទៅ content new content ព្រោះខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តបង្កើត content ណាបាទ content ថ្មីអាហ្នឹងវាជាចំណូលចិត្តរបស់ខ្ញុំស្អីខ្ញុំមានបំណងអីទេគ្រាន់ថាខ្ញុំចែកហើយឲ្យបងប្អូនមើលបើបងប្អូនឃើញ view មើលច្រើនខ្ញុំត្រេកអរសប្បាយចិត្តប៉ុណ្ណឹងហើយ I just try to share this my corn here with in USKK. It's not much view. I don't know what really going on. I love to create new content, so this is just put in test with how it worked on my garden. Mostly I just share with the poverty people from Cambodia. Got timberwood, Pat and Batchun, and they send video to me, but it's not really working well. But if you guys see some point that you don't like it or you like it, just leave me the comment and I can know how to create the new content. But this video I put it in the test how much you guys interested, so let me know. I just love it no matter what you are not. I still want to create most every day my new content. Guys, I like to create something new. Yeah, fresh new content to share. That's the way I am, that's the way I like, that my passion's about. Then I just show all my plan. I'm so excited and I just be happy to look at my plan 3 times a day, the morning, afternoon, and then the evening. Yeah, it grow very well, the corns. Yeah, I got some over there too. We'll be upgrade some here. There's a lot of mess around my home. ហើយខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើបន្ថែមទៀតតែធ្វើបន្តិចម្ដងនៅជុំវិញផ្ទះហ្នឹងគ្រាន់ថាឲ្យបងប្អូនទស្សនាអាប់ដេតសប្បាយចិត្តវាអត់មានអីសំខាន់ទេគឺវាមានតែនៅក្នុងជីវិតប្រចាំថ្ងៃហើយតាម៉ៃធ្វើអីខ្លះ Yes, not really important or something for the new our life. It's all the same, but I just like to share. The difference is my plant growing will make a difference. I'm happy to share to all you guys that can enjoy with it. Just entertain and something you get bored, get off from work, or you sit to watch TV. It's something news about the mice, USKK channel. And then guys, thank you for watching. Bye now. Stay tuned for the next coming video. បាទបងប្អូនអរគ្នាហើយរងចាំទស្សនាបន្តទៀតហើយសូមឲ្យមតិយោបល់ផងហើយជម្រាបលា content ហ្នឹងមានប៉ុណ្ណឹងហើយបាទសុខសប្បាយទាំងអស់គ្នាបាយបាយ